Hey, this is John. Welcome to the Utopia Experience. So today's video is going to be on Moringa, an incredible superfood. We're going to give you a little bit of information about how it grows, how we harvest it, some of the vitamins and minerals that you find in it, and why you want to be taking it. If this sounds interesting, please stick around and hit that like and subscribe button. Anyways, guys, follow me. I'm going to take you over. I'm going to walk you over to one of our moringa trees that we've never cut yet. It's never been harvested, and we're going to show you how it resprouts and regrows. So follow me. Come on over here. So here you can see one of our moringa trees. We've never actually harvested this one. It's very tall, slender, and we have a very small amount of moringa leaves here at the top. Normally what we do, or in a commercial setting, what they do is they only leave these about 2 meters high, about 6 feet tall. We chop them off, and when we chop this off, it's just going to regenerate new sprouts and new growth on this. So we're going to go ahead and chop this down now. So here we can see all of the really delicious moringa leaves. So you can eat these just raw, just the way they are. They're amazing in salads, incredibly nutritious. Kind of has a earthy kind of taste to it, but it's really good, kind of a spinachy almost taste. Basically, on the moringa tree, you can eat everything. It's all edible. You can eat the leaves, the bark, the roots, the flowers, the blossoms. It's all edible. So basically what we have here, if we were out here harvesting, we would just take these leaves off right here, and we would be gathering these leaves, and we would take them and put them into a dehydrator if we were a commercial operation. But here in Utopia, we're a small scale mom and pop operation. So we just do these we sun dry them. We put them out in the sun, and we basically, once they've been properly sun dried, we just put them into a blender and we grind this up into a powder, and that's the easiest way to consume your moringa. Like I said, you can also just use it as a salad. You can throw it in your salad mix. Super great, super tasty, kind of tastes like spinach, but with a lot more vitamins and minerals. So what makes this a superfood? What does this have in it? What kind of vitamins and minerals are you going to get when you eat this? Well, it's packed full of them. But just to name a few things, it's got 25 times more iron than spinach, okay? Just on that. It has 10 times more vitamin A than carrots. It has 7 times more vitamin C than oranges. It has 2 times more protein than yogurt. It has 4 times more fiber than oats, 17 times more calcium than milk, and 15 times more potassium than bananas, just to name a few, and the list goes on and on. So this stuff really is a superfood. It originated in India, but it has been being propagated around the world for nutrition. And actually right here in Central America, it's really doing a lot for malnutrition in poor areas. So we grow a lot of it. We use it here in the Eco Hotel. We're going to be making some more recipes on how to use the moringa and the moringa powder to mixing it into foods. But one thing that we actually do here is we mix it into our corn tortillas. We're in Guatemala, right? So we take our corn tortillas, we mix the moringa powder into the tortilla, and this makes your tortilla a superfood. So instead of just being a not so healthy corn tortilla, it's now got packed with proteins and fibers and calciums and everything, you know. So it's really great, and we've been showing this a lot to our workers and to the local village here, and we've actually been giving some of the moringa powder to the people at the school and different things like that, and they seem to like it. They are consuming it, so it's great. And let me just show you a couple different ways that we process down the moringa. So like I said, we take the whole leaf after it's been sun dried, and this is a very light blend. We would actually use this for doing things like putting in the tortillas, using for cooking in certain things, but usually we use this for the moringa tea. Here's the next version, would be the really super fine, refined version, which is more like a supplement. And this is something that is great. You can use this in smoothies. We can put this in, like I said, you can hide it, you can put it in bread, put it in your kids' cookies, whatever. Like I said, the idea is you just want to get it in your kids because this stuff is great, packed with protein, vitamins, minerals, and it really is a superfood. So like, get this in yourself. So some other ways that we use it here in Utopia, we also take the moringa seeds and we can press that into an oil, and that makes a tincture, and that oil is great for so many different things. We can use that for, if you're getting sick, just put it in there. It doesn't taste the best, but it really is healthy. You can also use it for like homemade natural bug sprays. I've read in a lot of places that the oil is actually great, helps to benefit hair growth. So just take a few drops, put on your scalp and rub in. So there's a lot of really amazing uses for moringa. The other cool thing about moringa is it's also known as the horseradish tree. So it really is kind of a spicy flavor, the root. So like if you want to, you can take the bark off and you can use the bark for a tea. And if you dig up the tree, if you cut it down and you dig up the tree, the root, you can actually shred it and it tastes just like radishes. It's really crazy. So it's super spicy and it has that same flavor as a radish. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Look forward to seeing you soon.